I built this CRM from my Google Sheet. It has a chatbot, sends emails automatically, and it's fully live on a URL. So me and my team can access it anywhere we are. Today, I'm going to show you how to build this using AI coding tools, the easy parts, and what frustrated me the most. At the end, I'm going to reveal how much this whole setup costs, so stick around. Let's get started. So this is my Google Sheet. So I've got 2 tabs in here, leads, where each row is a unique lead, and then communication. This is every record of my communication with these leads. This step, thinking about and organizing your data, is called data modeling. To build successfully with AI, this is the single most important step, so don't skip it. Now, we need all of our integration information. For the Google Sheet, I need my credentials first. So I'm going to go to Google Cloud, enable the Sheets API, and create a service account. This is going to download a file, which will let me access my Google Sheets programmatically. I'm going to give this service account access to this sheet through the sharing pop-up. Also, in my sheets, I'm going to copy the sheet ID and place it in a file called .env in this folder on my desktop. By the way, this folder is going to be our workspace that we'll be using. You can name it whatever you want. Now, I need to get my email information to send out automated emails, both to my leads and internally as reports. For that, I'll be using an app password for my Gmail so that I don't have to set up another email service. And finally, we're going to sign up for an AWS account. This is free to start with, and once the free tier is over, you'll find out what it costs at the end of the video. Now I'm creating an IAM user and providing it the necessary permissions. This is for security, so my account is restricted to only the services I need from AWS. I'm going to put all of this in that .env file that I'll be saving to my desktop. By the way, if you want an easier way to do this without managing all these permissions, have 24/7 live support, and have all this work right out of the box, check out our website, lovespreadsheets.com. Back to the video. Now the fun part. I'm going to open up my AI coding agent. I'm using Claude Code, but Codex from OpenAI or Cursor are very similar. Choose whichever one you like. I'm going to first give it access to my folder where my .env file is. This is where all of our code will live. As you see, my service account file is also in this folder. Now I'm going to paste my prompt here and let's walk through it. I'm telling the chatbot to build me a CRM using the connection information and reading the spreadsheet. I'm also informing it to add a chatbot to the CRM, which will let me enter my leads and how to store the exact communication level information. I'm also allowing for a marketing sequence to be set up and to be able to view and edit these drip sequences. Finally, I give it instructions on how to use the AWS services to make this live, including how to use the email to send out not only the drip emails, but also internal emails to me and my team. One thing I forgot to mention, in my end file, I also put in username and password to be able to log in. This last line is very important for security. I instruct the agent to use Secrets Manager on AWS, which is a service that protects and hides all of your confidential username and password information. Don't skip that step. And very important, I'm going to select plan mode so that I can review the plan. Okay, I see it has come back with some questions. I'm going to reply to them as I see fit. It is looking good so far, and we let it build. Oh, okay. It's come back with some permissions issues. So I need to go into my AWS account and provide the necessary permission to this user that I created. Okay, it's failing at accessing deployment for the back end. So let me try this. Oh my God, these permission issues are the worst. Okay, finally, it is done. Let's check it out. We see here we have our kanban board. If I move leads across stages, I can see them update in Google Sheets. I'm gonna try to add a lead through my chatbot. Oh, great. Yes. Okay, cool. So you see, I can set up my email sequences. I can access this on my phone. I can talk through the chatbot. And this is a fully live website that I can share. Let's talk about the cost. On a monthly basis for my team of 4, who's going to be chatting with the chatbot 50 times a day. The total cost is, and this is broken down mainly because of the chatbot. If this is something that you would like to build, please use this guide. Let us know in the comments if you have any issues. And as always, if you want an easier way to do this, check out our website. See you next time.